Do you want to give a brand new look to any space? In this video, we'll be showing you how to prep a room for painting. Here are the supplies you will need. You can find links to the materials in the description. To begin, clear all items you want to avoid getting paint on from the room. Remove any light fixtures, window furnishings, and electrical covers. Take out all furniture or move it to the center of the room. Next, patch any holes, cracks, or dents in your wall with spackling. Once it dries, sand the area until the surface is smooth and even. Then, clean your walls. Dust around the edge of the ceiling to remove any cobwebs. Wash your walls using a mild detergent and a soft sponge. Once washed, use a cloth dampened with plain water to rinse away any soap residue. Allow the walls to dry completely before you begin painting. After that, tape off any moldings or trims. Place the edge of the painter's tape as close to the wall as possible. Smooth it firmly to keep paint from bleeding through. Finally, cover the floor, countertops, and any furniture you are not able to move with canvas drop cloths or garbage bags. Use tape to prevent them from sliding. You are now ready to start painting. Thank you for watching. Check out how to paint your room in our next video.